And lastly was the UI. I mentioned to you that I think we straddle a nice line here. We do provide a very, what I think is best of breed user interface builder. Michael's used it. He can give a testimony in a second. But we have also open sourced all of the UI modules. They're in GitHub, and if there is not a widget that you like, you can add your own widget. If you want to take one of our widgets and modify the behavior, you can do that. So I think the example on the right was, creating a grid view versus a list view. Kind of like the sorting. Sort by relevance, sort by date. You could add a little widget like that, and you can program it. You can use it for yourself. If you want, you can contribute it back to the GitHub project. But you're not locked into just the UI widgets that we provide. So it's not completely open. You still have to deploy on our runtime, on our framework, but you aren't locked in if there isn't something available that you need. You can build your own. You can take a look at our widgets and extend them if you need to. So very powerful. It's JavaScript based. It's all asynchronous JavaScript, so it's very easy to add it. Michael, how many times have you been asked to add a Google search box into some application like Jira or something, and you have to go in and edit a bunch of, every time. So being JavaScript, it's very easy to add it on top of an existing application.
Yeah, and I would say that as we try to standardize on common frameworks, now it's simply tell us what the element is, reference this JavaScript, and a magical search box and search results appear, which is awesome. I would say that this builder is one of the best that I've used. Very intuitive. Don't have to look at the docs, and it's constructed in search interface as you would expect it. It's not necessarily opinionated in it's opinionated in its form, but it's opinionated with best of breed, if that makes sense. And just certain UX elements are what is expected. The row of content sources on the top, for example, is expected, and from any interface, and not simply like, well, here's your endpoint. Like, well, I don't. People who are interested in GSA aren't necessarily interested in just talking to endpoints.